Cloud evolution, trends in post-serverless era. As serverless computing evolves, this exploration delves into transformative trends shaping the post-serverless era. From replacing programming elements with configurable cloud constructs to hyperspecialized services and the shift from infrastructure as code to composition as code, these shifts redefine cloud architecture's future. From primitives to constructs as a service. The shift from basic programming elements like functions towards configurable cloud constructs is underway. Cloud services now offer features such as request routing, validation, data transformation, and event handling as part of their core functionality, reducing the need for custom code. From hyperscale to hyperspecialization, the cloud market is moving towards specialized vertical multi-cloud services. Rather than offering a broad range of services, providers are focusing on enhancing specific primitives, e.g., Kafka databases with advanced constructs, surpassing the capabilities of traditional hyperscalers. From infrastructure to composition as code, CAC, the evolution from infrastructure as code, IAC, to composition as code, CAC, involves using general-purpose programming languages to define dynamic cloud constructs. Tools like Pulumi and AWS CDK enable developers to integrate application and automation code seamlessly, blurring the lines between application and infrastructure responsibilities. Cloud computing's future lies in integrated programming constructs, offering developers enhanced control. The journey leads towards hyper-specialized, developer-centric cloud services, making customization seamless. This shift-left approach transforms microservices into organizational units, defining the future of a developer-first cloud paradigm. Contact us, sales@algoworks.com.